Welcome to the class. Today we will practice the Indian method of embroidery. Thus I turn my frame over, arm with a pencil and copy the translucent lines. Continue embroidering using the same beads and sequences. Start from the lower part of the leaf, applying the lock. Then place 2 beads, followed by 1 red sequin on the needle of your hook, and make a 4 mm interval stitch. Then again 2 beads, followed by 1 red sequin, and make a 4 mm interval stitch. Repeat. Apply a short security stitch and next turn back with the loose stitches. Then again place beads and sequences, following the directed lines till the trunk of the leaf. Continue embroidering in the same manner till the top of the leaf. I decided to finish the top of the leaf with the beads placed together. However, kindly feel free to vary and change it according to your taste. And we are done. I'd like you to kindly repeat the same, photograph your work and send it to me along with the questions or comments if you have.